Nowadays, working on rooftops is subject to many safety standards, legislation, and working conditions. At Daksafe, we know all about it. That's why we only supply certified fall protection systems and approved safety products. All of our products have been extensively tested and certified in accordance with the mandatory standards. We develop our own products, which means that we're flexible in delivering both standard and customized work. And we can guarantee the safety for every type of roof. We work with corrosion-free products, which means our products are not subject to environmental influences. Among others, we can provide you with the following safety products: climbing facilities, fences, and lashing systems. But we have more to offer. Because we always think ahead and provide you with the right advice in advance, in addition, our own service team is on standby after delivery for maintenance, testing, and inspection. Do you also want to make sure you have the right safety products? Sign up for free, non-obligatory advice or request a customized quote.